So best solution for it cannot connect to the Windows Update server error. The first thing we need to do a troubleshooter for Windows Update. I know you did it, but if you did not, then follow me. Just click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings. Now scroll down, update and security. Okay, now you need to click on the troubleshoot. Now there's two options, view troubleshooting history, and the second one is additional troubleshooter. So click on the additional troubleshooter. Now here you can see additional troubleshooter is set up and running. There's a lot of fixes, but we need to go here, Windows Update, just click on it and run the troubleshooter. Okay, if you get any error here, it will fix automatically, but in case if you did not get any error here, then don't worry about this. Let's check out the internet DNS. So first of all, I'm just showing you, just search here CMD, then right click on it, run as administrator. Now you need to type here ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter, and you can see here successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So your cache has been cleaned now. Now if you are using any kind of DNS, then you need to just disable those DNS and leave it on automatically. Let me show you. Or even you can change your DNS for better DNS. You can just watch out my I button video. It will help you to get a better DNS for your internet service. Just type here again, go into the settings. This time we need to go here, network and internet, and if it's not opening in your PC, then just comment below. I will show you a method to fix this issue. But for now you need to click here, change adapter options. Now here the internet or even Wi-Fi, whatever you are using, just right click on that option and go into the properties. Now here you need to find the IPv4. If your internet support IPv4, then definitely you have added here. Otherwise you can also check this option as well. In IPv4, just Optane DNS server rests on automatically. By default this option is here on Optane DNS server rests automatically, but in your case might be you have changed it, or any application you are using that change your DNS, so you make sure this option is here. You can also try different DNS. The better DNS you need to find for yourself. Just check out my I button video. You will get a video where I'll show you how you can find the best DNS server for your internet, because everyone is living in different countries, so that's not important. The Google DNS server work for you, or might be some other related servers, DNS servers work for you that already a lot of people are using. So in that video I'll show you a application that will find lot of DNS servers. Even Google DNS servers are added in there, but it will show you the best DNS server for your router, your internet server. So watch that at least. And then now in this video only you need to restart your PC and your problem has been solved. The last thing you need to make sure your service is running properly. Just type here services, hit enter. Now select any service and press W until you will get the Windows Update. And here is the Windows Update. Now right click on it and make sure startup type is on automatic, and if it's not running, then click on running and hit apply. Okay, that's it. Now only you need to restart your PC and your problem has been solved. I hope this video helpful for you. Now please hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, just comment below, so I will try to solve it for you. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.